Hey guys, it's Tiffany. So I'm getting ready to do a makeup tutorial using Selena Gomez's line Rare Beauty along with a palette that I got from Makeup Obsession. I, ever since I've got this line, ever since it launched, I actually got some of the products the day of the launch, and let me tell you, I absolutely 100% love it. I love how she curated all the products and without, wanting to cover up the imperfections and feeling beautiful and everything like that. So I'm getting ready to show you guys a tutorial right now. So yeah, here we go. The first thing I'm going to be using is foundation. I have never used foundation before because I don't want to cover up any imperfections like my freckles or anything. So this is going to be my first time using foundation. So yeah, this is by Rare Beauty. This is Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 210N. Shake it up just a little bit. Couple swipes on my cheek, a little bit on my nose, and just a little bit on my forehead. And I'm going to be taking an old blush brush and blending that in. Depending on how much coverage you want, a little goes a long way. It really all depends on how much coverage you want. I may need a lighter shade than this, I'm not really sure. But as you can see, you can still see some imperfections. Woo, got myself in the eye. You can still see a little bit of imperfections, which I absolutely 100. See, you can still see some imperfections, which I 100% love about Rare Beauty. Next, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Soothing Face Primer infused with aloe.
Connect with Judd Wilhite at e.l.f.com. Keyword, encouragement. Do you ever feel like you need to do something huge for God, like your day-to-day life is just not enough? I am so glad that
And I'm going to be putting that on my eyes.
Successful to be used by God. In fact, 1 Corinthians 10:31 says, so whether you eat or
by the way, I am using my phone for this, so that way you guys can see the product. Normally, I would be using my iPod, but just so you guys can see the products that I'm using clear and under good quality, I am using my phone. Now I'm going to be taking a small crease brush. I'm going to be taking a small crease brush and the Rady Dusk palette from Makeup Obsession. The first shade I'm going to be taking is the shade called Treehouse. The next shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Rosy Lee from the same palette. And I'm going to be applying that on the lid. I'm taking also the same brush, and I'm going to be applying that on the lid.
Positive, encouraging music all weekend. K-Love.
Alright, next I'm going to be taking the Liquid Luminizer by Rare Beauty. And this is in the shade Enlightened. And I'm going to be taking just a little bit of that and just kind of dotting that along my cheekbones, using it as just a little bit of highlighter. Last thing I'm going to be taking is of course the Rare Beauty lip. I think this is the matte matte souffle lip color, and this is in the shade Transform. There it is. It's in the shade Transform. If you need to, hold on. If you need to, you can blot it, which is what I recommend doing. I'm recording a video. What? Alright. You kind of want to blot it just a little bit, but yet still have the color showing. And then after all of that is finished, I'm going to use the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Setting Spray 24-hour wear and hydration. Says to shake well. And this is the completed look for this Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez tutorial, even though I used different products and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.